Good morning, dear students. I am Puneet Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIT College. Today we discuss in this video how to calculate the earliest and latest time in critical path method. Here we are also given activity and duration. Activity 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. For calculating the earliest and latest timing, first of all, we draw the project network. The activity first 1, 1 से 2, 1 से 3, 2 से 4 and 3 से 4. With the help of activity, we draw the network diagram. Now we put the duration and we write the duration from activity first 1 से 2. The duration is 5, and activity 1, 3, the duration is 4. Next activity 2 and 4, the duration is 3, and next 3 to 4, the duration is 2. For calculating the earliest and latest timing, we draw the network diagram, and with the help of network diagram, we calculate first of all earliest starting time. The activity first, the earliest starting time, that is 0, means जब भी हम कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट क्या करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं, the starting time will be 0, and from one point to second point, the earliest starting time 0 plus 5 means starting में हम duration को क्या करते आएंगे, ऐड करते आएंगे, and the earliest time of this activity, that is 5. Now next activity 3, here 0 plus 4, the earliest time, that is 4, and here there are two way, 1 2 4, 1 3 4. When we forward looking, we consider the maximum time. If we select this route, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. The maximum timing 8, that's why we select this route. E is equal to 8, and this route are also known as critical path method, and we dark this line so that it is clearly so it is a critical path, and the critical activity that is involved in the critical path 1 से 2 and 2 से 4, and critical timing, that is 8. Now we calculate the earliest starting time. When we calculate the earliest starting time, we consider tail event. In an activity 1, 2, when we start from this point, this is tail and this is head. But when next is 2 से 3 and 2 से 4, for point of 3, 2 is tail and 3 is head, and from point of 4, 2 is tail and 4 is head. Now we put in the table activity 1 से 2, 1 से 3, 2 से 4 and 3 to 4, and we write duration also 5, 4, 3, 2. Here first of all we calculate the earliest starting time. This is the, when we calculate the earliest starting time, we consider the tail event. Left hand side, this is tail and this is head. In the first activity, the tail point, that is 1, and 1 is equal to 0, and next activity 1 and E is equal to 0, next activity 2 and from the point of 2 E is equal to 5, next 3 and E is equal to 4. Now we calculate the earliest finishing time. Earliest finishing time will be calculated EST means earliest starting time plus duration. We already calculate EST and we are already given duration in the question. 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 5, 8, 2 plus 4, 6. This is the process of calculating the earliest timing in the project network. Earliest time, two type, earliest starting time and earliest finishing time. Now we calculate latest time. In the diagram, 1 से 2 and 2 से 4, these are the critical path and critical activity. In the project network, the activity which are involved in the critical path E and L both will be same. Means जो एक्टिविटी हमारी क्रिटिकल पाथ में आएंगी उनकी अर्लीस्ट एंड लेटेस्ट टाइम विल बी सेम. दैट्स वाई we directly put the value here. E is equal to 8 and L is equal to 8, E is equal to 5 and L is equal to 5, E is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. We calculate only this point latest. When we forward looking we maximize and when we backward looking we minimize. Here L is equal to 8 and duration is 2. 8 minus 2, L is equal to 6. Got it? Now we calculate the latest time. In the latest time, first of all we calculate the latest finish time, and when we calculate the LFT we consider the head event and right hand side all these are head event. First activity that is 1 से 2 and here 2 is head, and in the diagram the L point is 5. Next activity 1 से 3, in the 3 point L is equal to 6. Next 2 से 4 and 4 point L is equal to 8. Next 3 to 4 again L is equal to 8. Now we calculate the LST. LST stands for latest starting time, and we are already calculate the LFT. LFT minus duration. This is the formula of calculating the latest starting time. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 3, 5, 8 minus 2, 6. This is the complete procedure for calculating the earliest timing and latest timing. Earliest timing may be of two type, EST and EFT. EST stands earliest starting time, EFT stands earliest finishing time. Same way LST may be of two type, LST and LFT. LST stands for latest starting time and LFT stands for latest finish time. With the help of earliest and latest, in the next video we learn how to calculate the total float, independent float, free float. Okay students, thank you so much.